Namaste. In this session, we are going to learn how to make parts of screw jack and its assembly. This is the screw jack assembly. Here, there are seven parts are there. Part 1 body, 2 nut, 3 screw spindle, 4 cup, washer special, fifth one, sixth one CSK screw, seventh one is a dummy bar. We will create one by one part here. First, I am going to start from part 1, that is body. The material of this body is cast iron. Just I am going to take separate of part 1 sketch, that is body. First, I am going to draw this axis line or center line of length 185 like this. I have drawn here. Next, after that, I am going to draw the outlines here. Axis to this outer edge is 35, that is 70 divided by 2. Then vertical line 40 length. Then small horizontal length is there here. This horizontal line is 70 minus 66, that is 4. Both side horizontal line is there, 4 divided by 2. This horizontal length is 2 After that, I start from bottom. Here, small vertical line of length 3 Then draw horizontal line. This length is 50. Then again vertical line of length 3 Draw horizontal line. This length is 70 minus 50, 20 Then again vertical line 20 horizontal line, that is also 20, 70 minus 50, 20. Connect this point to this point. Once you finish this outer boundary, draw the vertical line. This vertical line, distance from axis to this vertical line is 25 Then draw this line offset to this line of distance 10 See, like this, I'm going to draw the profile. Once draw this profile, it is look like this. This profile revolving about the axis around 360-degree, the body will be formed. Let's open the Fusion 360 software. By entering the email ID and password, the Fusion 360 will be opened. Let's open the Fusion 360. This is the main interface of the Fusion 360. Select data panel, click on new project, enter project name is screwjack, click OK, double click on screwjack. Whatever we save from now onwards, it will be saved in this screwjack project or in this screwjack folder. Close this tab, select create sketch, pick vertical plane. I start from this axis line of length 185. Select line from origin, draw the vertical line of length 185. Click vertical line. Then draw this horizontal line of length 35. 70 divided by 2, 35. Then vertical line 40. Then 2 horizontal line. Close this. Now I am going to start from bottom here. Like this. 3 vertical line. Then horizontal line 50. 3 Just I'm going to zoom this, then we can easily identify. Then 50, then vertical line 3 20, then vertical line 20, horizontal line again 20. Then you connect this point to this. Say like this. I have drawn this boundary here. Next, I'm going to draw this vertical line. Distance from axis to this line is 25. Draw vertical line. Click offset tool. Select this line of offset distance is 10. Modify, extend this line up to vertical line. Extend this up to this horizontal line. Select sketch dimension. Distance from axis to this is 25. Now I am going to remove the unwanted lines. The dimensions. Then convert this line into construction line. Finish sketch. Click on finish sketch. Select revolve feature. Profile already selected. Axis is this axis. File. Then angle 360-degree. Click on OK. There is a fillet is there of radius 8 mm and a small fillet is also here. Here dimension is not given, just I will assume 2 radius. Select fillet, edge, radius 8, click OK. Then again select fillet, just I am going to rotate. On this edge, 2 mm radius fillet is there, 2. Click OK. Now I am going to applying the material, modify, physical material, metal, click on metal. The material is cast iron. Here, drag and drop on this part. Material has been applied. Click on save. Enter part number 1. Part name, body. Click on save. This is the part 1. Next is the second part, that is nut. Here, front view and top view, both views are given. This is the front view and this is the top view of the part 2 nut. Here, first I am going to draw this axis here. This length is 45. Then axis to this internal line distance is 19. That is nothing but 38 divided by 2. Then this axis to this distance is 25. Axis to this last edge distance is 45. That is 90 divided by 2. Here clearly showing here. From axis to this is 19. Axis to this edge is 25. From axis to this last edge is 45. Then total height is 45, that is given, and 10 mm and 10 mm is here. Just open the new tab. Select create sketch. Pick vertical plane. Select line. Draw vertical line of length 45. Here I am going to start from here. Okay. Vertical line of length 45. Then draw horizontal line. Approximate. I am going to draw this sketch like this. Click sketch dimension. Give distance from here to here 19. 25. 25. 45. Vertical distance 10. Then this line should be coincide here. Just I am going to coincide this point and this. Draw the axis line here. That is a construction line. Close this. Click on Finish Sketch. Select Revolve feature. Axis line is this. Angle 360 degree. Click OK. Here there is a fillet is there on this edge. Radius is 5 mm. Then here round is there of radius 5 mm. Click fillet. Click fillet edge. This edge as well as this edge. Radius 5. Click OK. Next here internal thread is there. 38 into 7 square thread is there. Create. Select thread. Here we have to select the base. This is the base. Then thread type ISO trapezoidal thread. Size 38. Designation 38 into 7. Click OK. Now material of this part is cast iron. Modify. Physical material. Iron crust. Drag and drop on this part. Close. Select save. Enter part number 2 and part name is nut. Click on save. Okay. Next part is third part, that is the screw spindle. This is the part 3 screw spindle. This is the part 3 screw spindle. First I am going to draw this axis. That length is 240 like this. After I will draw the half sketch here. Half part I am going to draw. From axis to this edge is 11, that is 22 divided by 2. Draw vertical line of length 13. Draw horizontal line. Length from axis to this edge is 65 divided by 2, 32.5. Then this vertical length is 83 minus 13, 70. Then draw this edge here, that is 38 divided by 2, 19. Click on Create sketch, pick vertical plane, select line. From origin, I am going to draw the vertical line of length 240. Next, I will draw the horizontal line of length 11. Move the cursor downward, draw the vertical line of length 13. Approximate, I will draw the one horizontal line. Then this vertical length is 70. Then approximate, I will draw the horizontal line. Then draw vertical line downward up to this origin. Then you connect the origin point. Now I will show the remaining dimensions. Select sketch dimension. Distance from this line to this line is 32.5. Then distance from origin to this point, that is 19. Then click horizontal. This line should be horizontal to origin. Okay. Now click on Finish Sketch. Select Revolve feature. Select Axis. This edge, angle 360 degree. Click on OK. Next, in this part, on these two edges, chamfer is there of dimension 10 into 45. Select Modify tab. Click on chamfer. Here, type is distance and angle. Select two edges. Length 10, angle 45. Click OK. Here on this cylinder, thread we have to apply square thread 38 into 7. Create tab, thread, select on this cylinder, isometric profile to change it isometric projected, size 38, designation 38 into 7, click OK. We have to apply the chamfer on this edge, that is diameter into 0.1, that is 3.8. Modify, chamfer, select this edge, chamfer. Okay, here type we have to select equal distance, give length is 3.8, click on OK. Next, on top face, here hole is there, hole diameter is 12, depth of hole is 35, internal threads are there, M12 thread, thread depth is 30, hole depth is 35, thread depth is 30, click on hole tool, select this space. First, I am going to place the hole at the center of this space, move and place it. I think we are observing the white dot, place it on that dot. It is exactly middle of this cylinder. Now we have to give the all required parameters. Hole type is simple, hole tab type threaded, hole thread offset. Then here total depth of the hole is 35, depth of thread is 30, then size of hole is 12, then click OK. Next, here we have the one circular hole at the middle of diameter 12 mm. Then center of this hole to this edge is 35. Select create sketch. Select this plane, profile plane. Draw the circle of diameter 12. Give dimensions. Distance from this edge to center of circle is 35. Then select vertical tool, make it a center of circle and this origin should be same vertical line. Finish sketch, click home icon, extrude. Here we have to give the direction is symmetry. Just to drag these arrow mark, removing both side the material. Next, in this part, here on this space, knurling is there. We have to apply the knurling. Click on Modify tab, Appearance. Here we have to select the faces, metal. In this metal folder, we have to select the steel. In this steel, we have to select the steel nerd. Okay. In front of this steel nerd, same symbol is there. This symbol indicates we have to download this steel nerd. Already I downloaded. That's why it is not showing the symbol in front of this. Drag and drop on this face. Knurling will be appear. Close. After that, we have to apply the material. Modify physical material, metal, select metal. In metal, cast iron we have to apply, that is a iron cast. Drag and drop on this part, close, click on save. Part number is 3, part name is screw spindle. Click, click on save. This is the part 3. Next is the fourth part, that is cup made from cast steel, front view and top view of the cup. This is the front view and this is the top view of the cup. First I am going to draw this axis line like this. Then draw this hatching area. Distance from axis to this edge is 22.5, that is 22.5 divided by 2, that is 11.25. Distance from axis to this point 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. Distance from axis to this edge, that is 65 divided by 2, 32.5. Then distance between these two lines is 6. Then total height is 42 and this vertical length is 12. Select create sketch, click vertical plane, select line, draw the construction line of length 42, close this. Then again select line, don't select construction. Length from here to is 22.5. Then approximate I draw like this. Then draw the horizontal line of length 6, parallel line like this, just to connect. Now I will show all dimensions. Distance from this point to this point is 11.25. Then total height 42. First I am going to coincide this line to here. Next this vertical length is 12. Distance from origin to this point is 32.5. I will remove this unwanted line. Click finish sketch. Select revolve feature. Axis is this angle 360 degree. Click on OK. Next here there are circular cutout is there. 4 circular cutouts are there of radius 5 mm. Select clear sketch. Select ZX plane. Draw the circle of diameter 10. Distance from center to this 42. And axis center of circle and this origin should be same vertical line. Finish sketch. It is at middle is there. Select extrude feature, direction, symmetry. Just I'm going to drag these arrow mark, removing the material both side. Again create sketch. I will select this YZ plane. Next create circle of diameter 10. Give dimension, sketch dimension, center of circle to this 42. Then center of circle and this point should be same vertical line. Finish sketch. Again select extrude feature. This is circle, direction symmetry. Again drag these arrow mark, removing the material. Modify, applying the material, physical material, the material of metal, material. This is the material of the fault. Drag and drop on this. Save. Fault number is 4. Fault name is cup. Click on save. This is the part 4. Then move to the part 5. Next is the fifth part, that is washer. Two views of the washer is given. This is the front view and this is the top view of the washer. First, I'm going to draw the axis line here like this. Then draw this etching area. Distance from axis to this point is 14.5 divided by 2, that is 7.25. Distance from axis to this edge is 35 divided by 2, 17.5. Height is 8 mm. Open new tab. Select create sketch. Pick vertical plane. Draw the axis first, that is construction line. Vertical axis line. Close this. Draw the horizontal line of length 17.5, then vertical line of length 8. Draw horizontal line of length 5, then approximately I will draw remaining lines. First, I'm going to coincide this line to this. Next, I will give remaining dimensions. Distance from axis to here 7.25. Then angle between these two lines is 45. Then remove this unwanted line. Select trim tool. Remove this. Click on finish sketch. Select revolve feature. Axis. This is the axis. Angle 360 degree. Click OK. Here fillet is there of radius 1 mm. Select fillet. Select this edge. Radius is 1 mm. Click OK. Modify. Applying the material, that is physical material. Material of washer is mild steel. Select metal. Drag and drop on this part. Close. Click save. Part number 5. Part name is washer. Click on save. This is the part 5. Next is the sixth part, that is a CSK screw. Here two views are given. Front view and top view of the screw. First, I am going to draw this axis line of length 30 mm like this. Then horizontal line at the top, that is 24 divided by 2, 12 mm is there. And draw one more horizontal line at the bottom of length 12 divided by 2, 6 mm. And the remaining lines as it is, I will draw it. Open new tab. Select create sketch. Select vertical plane. Click on line. Draw vertical line of length 30, horizontal line of length 12. Draw one more horizontal line at bottom, length, horizontal length 6. Then draw vertical line of length 24. Then connect this point. Click on finish sketch. Select revolve feature. Axis is this line. Angle 360 degree. Okay. Here there is a rectangular cutout is there. Width 2 mm, depth 3 mm. Select clear sketch, select ZX plane, draw the rectangle, select rectangle, select sketch dimension 3 mm, 2, distance from here to this edge is 1. Click finish sketch. It is middle is there. Select extrude feature. Direction, I will select symmetry. Just drag these arrow mark both sides, removing the material. Then in this part, we have to apply the thread here of M12 type. Create thread on this space M12 into 1.5 designation. Then here chamfer is there. Modify chamfer on this edge 1.2. Click OK. Apply the material. Modify physical material. Material of screw is mild steel. drag and drop on this part, close, click save. Fault number is 6, fault name is screw, click save. Next part is the seventh part, that is the Tommy bar. This is the seventh part. Here I am going to draw the off sketch. This off sketch revolving about the axis around 360 to get the Tommy bar. First, I am going to draw the axis of this Tommy bar of length 275 like this. Then draw horizontal line of length 6, that is 12 divided by 2. Draw one more horizontal line at the bottom of length 10 mm, that is 20 divided by 2. Then vertical length is there 62. Then here slope line is there of angle 45. Click on create sketch, pick vertical plane, select line, draw horizontal line, that is axis line of length 275. Draw vertical line of length 10. Approximate, I will draw the remaining lines. Click on horizontal vertical command. Make it this line should be vertical. Select create sketch. Show this length is 62. Dimension from this axis to this edge is 6. Then angle between these two lines should be 135. Click finish sketch. Select revolve feature. Axis is this line. Angle 360 degree. Click OK. At the top, there is a chamfer is there. Here length is not given. I will assume 1 mm. Modify chamfer. I am going to apply the chamfer on this edge of length 1. Click OK. Here knurling is there on this space. Knurling distance from edge to here is 100 mm is there. I'm going to insert the one reference plane. Select construct tab. Select offset plane. I will take one offset reference plane parallel to this plane of distance 175. Then distance from this edge to this reference plane is 100 mm. Click on modify tab. Select split face. Faces to split this cylinder. Splitting tool is this reference plane. Click OK. Modify appearance. Select face. Select fusion appearance. Metal. Steel. You have to select the steel. In steel, select the steel nerd. In front of this steel nerd, the same symbols are there. This symbol indicates we have to download this. Already I downloaded this steel nerd. Drag and drop on this space. This is the appearance on this space. This is the knurling on this space. Here at the bottom, round is there of radius 10 mm. Click on fillet. Select this edge, radius 10. Okay. Now I am going to apply the material. Modify physical material, metal. Then cast iron is given. Iron cast. Drag and drop on this space. Click OK. Save. Fault number is 7. Fault name is Tommy bar. Click. Click on save. This is the part to assemble all 7 parts of screw jack. First, I will save the file. Click on save. Enter name of file is assembly. Save. See the name of the file is appearing here. Select data panel. Here already I created the all 7 parts of the assembly. I am going to insert each component into the canvas. Here insert means drag and drop into the canvas. Each part will be inserted into the canvas using assembly tool. I will assemble all these 7 parts of the screw jack. First, I am going to insert the body part into the canvas, drag and drop into the canvas. See, first part I am going to fix this. Click on OK. Select Assembly tab as built joint. Select. Now here component this I am going to fix this to the type is rigid, that is means fixing the body part. Now I am going to insert the second part, that is nut, drag and drop into the canvas. Here the part is, I think we are observing the part is here. I will make it separate from this part to body by using this arrow mark and just place it some proper position. Click on OK. Now I am going to use the joint, assembly joint, select edge of part. See how do you select? Center point should be highlighted like that. I am going to select the edge of this nut should be placing on edge of body. See like this it is placing. Click on OK. Next I am going to insert the third part, that is screw spindle, drag and drop into the canvas. Make it separate this part from the assembly like this. Click OK. Now again select the edge using the assembly joint. Join two edges. One edge from the screw and this edge should be placing on this edge. Okay. Next here I will give some offset distance, that is in Z direction 20 mm. Click on OK. Next I am going to insert the fourth part, that is cup. Make it separate from assembly like this and place it in some proper position. Again assembly tab, joint, join edge of see edge. I am going to select the edge. It's like this. Then it should be placing on here. See exactly placing. Click on OK. Now I am going to insert the fifth part, that is washer. Make it separate like this. Click on OK. Again, assembly, joint, select edge of the visor, this edge, and it should be placing over. Click OK. Now insert the sixth part, that is CSK screw. Make it separate. Click OK. Here I am going to select top edge, assembly tab, joint. See how do you select? That is very important. You select, see this is wrong. Okay. The point is highlighted outer edge, but point should be highlighted at the middle like this. See here. Now we are going to select this edge. It should be placing, see exactly placing over that. Last part is the tommy bar. I will insert the tommy bar. Make it separate from this assembly. Click OK. Assembly tab, joint. See here also the selection is very important. When the middle symbol is highlighted like this, see, just to observe, see here, it should be highlighted. Then only we are going to select. It should be inside to this hole. See, you select like this. See, it is look like this. Only half portion will be inside this hole. I will insert total length, that is the remaining half part. I will give the dimension -31. Total length is 62 is there. Already 31 length inside is there. Remaining length is 31. Hence, I will give dimension -31. Click on OK. Now, this is the assembly of a screw jack. Take the dropping of assembly. Select Design tab. Drawing. Here I am going to select the manual option. Then sheet size is A3. Click OK. Here I am going to select the orientation is top. Select visible and hidden edges. Scaling here small size is there. I will take sizing 1:3. Click into the sheet. Then click on OK. This is the top view of the assembly. Now I am going to draw the half sectional front view. Select Create tab, click on Section View, select Top View. Now I am going to show the section. First I am going to draw the horizontal line like this. See here at the center. Click first point, then second point is center of this. Just I am going to zoom. Then I am going to draw the vertical line. Click and close this. Move the cursor. Click, then front view will be created. Click OK. See, this is the top view and half section of front view of the assembly. Now I am going to draw the side view. Create tab, projected view, project the front view, move the cursor and click. Now this is the side view of the assembly. Double click on this. Show the visible and hidden edges also. Click on close tab. You can show the dimension also. Select dimension tab, dimension. Like this, you can show the dimension. Now I am going to create the table. Click on create table, part list. We can place it this table wherever we want. Click. See now here it is showing the all the parts as well as in this table item number 7. All sevens are there. Quantity 1 we are using, part number as well as material it is showing. This completes the drafting. After completing drafting, export this. Select export. Select export in a PDF in different format also. Click on OK. Then give the name of the file, that is assembly sale.